So hi guys, welcome to Learn with Preetham. So in the previous demo, we have seen how we can add a particular employee to the Cosmos DB account. Like here, we have already added this test employee with test department to this particular database. Okay, so let me open this application, and now we will do let me go to iCosmos DB service. So now we will add another method that would be a get method where we can see all the employee details on that particular database. So yeah, uh, let me remove this, and inside iCosmos DB service, sorry guys, and then I'll go here and let me refactor this, implement. Okay, yeah, so this is get all employee async methods, and then for get all employee, let me show you one thing. For get all employee, we can do query here. This is also, we can use SQL query in the Cosmos DB. So if you run this, let's say employee container, and execute this query, see, it will give us all the employee details here. If I can max this, yeah, you can see three details has been added inside a JSON view. Okay, so this SQL query we can use inside our application. So I'll do, let me first give it is as async and where query equal, I'll use one query that is underscore container dot get query, sorry, get item query iterator, this one. Inside this I'll pass employee, and I'll use new query definition that is nothing but this definition, C and control V. Yeah, so my query definition is ready. Now let me give paired result. I'll create another variable as result. Inside that I'll use new list, because it will return me a list. A list is type of employee, and I'll do while loop, while query dot has more result, then okay, so query dot has more result dot then response, where response I'll do await query dot read next async. Yeah, and then result dot add range response dot to list. So yeah, it's done, and then I can do, I'll make myself outside the while loop and return the result. Yeah, so inside my service it is done, and now I'll go inside my employee controller, and I'll create one HTTP header that is get, and I'll use get all, sorry, employee, and then just a second guys, I'll use public async task action result, inside that enumerable. Okay, inside that employee. Okay, and it would be get all employee. Okay, so I'll create a var employee, that is emp await underscore cosmos db services, and use get employee async and run this. So the data is added here inside this, and I'll return emp dot to list to get it displayed. Okay, so let me save this and build this. Okay, it is built successfully. I'll run this application. So yeah, you can see one post method, and there is another get method. The name of the get method is get all employees. If I can make it try out and execute this. Okay, so now you can see three result has given, that is this, and the last one is this. So my query definition is giving me here same three result, and this is so this is working. So yeah, this get method get all employees working fine. Now let me add another get method. Let me remove this first, close this, and let me fetch a employee with a particular id, like an employee id. So I can do one thing here. I will use this query editor query definition for this particular part as well. So let me see if I can get like where, go for control C, v dot employee id equal id equal 1001. Okay, query, execute this. So yeah, you can see this with this particular employee id I can get the employee details. So I will use this particular definition, this SQL query, to get to the particular employee details with id. So for that, first I need to go to this iCosmos DB service and add another. Let's say it's already giving me delete employee. I'll not use that as of now. I'll use task IE enumerable. Inside that, it's an employee type, and it should be like get employee async. Okay, and for that I want integer employee id. I need this. So now let me save this, go to Cosmos DB service, refactor. Okay, sorry, refactor, implement interface. One interface is added, and here I want to do, first I'll do async, and then it's already given, so where I'll copy this section and paste it here. Okay, and inside this I will do, so I'll use string format. I'll do here up till equal, and then do a plus equal and give employee ID. Okay, so it is given, and then result var equal test, that is also fine. Then response add range, all these things are same. I don't want to add anything here. I'll save this, go to controller and copy this section, paste it here, get employee with employee ID. Yeah, and it will be C T, and I'll not use that employee ID. With employee ID I'll use get employee. Yeah, so now the thing is, yeah, now here I will add task, then action result, I enable employee, that is also fine. Employee Cosmos DB get all employee, this is not done. This will be like get employee async, and okay, this will require an int, that is emp id, let's say, and that emp id will be passed here. Okay, so yeah, that is also done, I guess. Let me build this, and let me first remove this, and okay, so now I want to see this. With this employee ID I want to see this data, test, and department is also test. So I'll copy this ID 1002 and first run this application. Okay, my Swagger UI is opened. It says get employee. This is the method, get method. I'll go for tryout. It is giving me a space where I can give an employee ID. Let me give as 1.002. So 1.002 is nothing but this one, this data I need to get into my Swagger UI. So I'll execute. Let's see if I can get that data. Okay, so yeah, see, I can I have all I'm able to get this data here. This is test, department is test, and salary is 1000. So yeah, I'm able to fetch a particular employee with an ID, with an employee ID itself. So yeah, this is also done. And yeah, for the next video we will see how we can update or delete a particular employee. So stay tuned for the next video. So yeah, that is it for today. Bye guys.